Sahih Bukhari Hadith Number 2.
Narrated Aisha, the mother of faithful believers. Al-Harith bin Hisham asked Allah's Messenger, O Allah's Messenger, how is the divine inspiration revealed to you? Allah's Messenger replied, sometimes it is revealed like the ringing of a bell. This form of inspiration is the hardest of all, and then this state passes off after I have grasped what is inspired. Sometimes the angel comes in the form of a man and talks to me, and I grasp whatever he says. Aisha added, verily I saw Prophet ﷺ being inspired divinely on a very cold day, and noticed the sweat dropping from his forehead as the inspiration was over.